run for a sec, see what it does. Doesn't matter. I don't care. It's exactly what I did to the other one.
Yeah, no.
When I opened it at home. I'm like, get out of there. Fuck! Oh, alrighty. Hello and welcome. My name is Dragothic, or as you might also know, Jacob, from Instagram. Jacob Berlin Briscoe on there, make sure you follow. This is my friend Marty. He is Martin Lilford, very nice young man. He's been my friend a couple of years. He's going to be helping me out with the unboxing today by holding all my shit. Big arms Marty. That's what we're using for, is holding shit. So make sure, remember, if you enjoy watching stuff from me, Dragothic Gaming here on YouTube, Dragothic _ on Twitter and on Twitch, and Jacob Berlin Briscoe on Instagram. All links are down below in the description. Alrighty, so I'm not a tech reviewer, alright, so don't expect real spec stuff. We're mostly just doing an unboxing for the sheer fact of spent $1,000, want to show. So this is our second attempt at it, because we worked out after we got this far, which was like opening this and then tearing the box, that the recording wasn't working properly. So we're doing it again. You take that end, I'll take this end.
Here we go.
Alright, that worked out much better this time. Fucking just break all this shit. As you can also probably notice, this is one of the first times that the new backdrop is also in for the My Hero Academia art wall that I have built for the streaming setup. So if you enjoy that, make sure you leave a comment below. Oh my god, box. It's falling apart. Let me out. Alright, so I got a box. Alright, you get, in the box, comes with, that looks like a power pack and a charger. Plugs into there. Cool. Easy. I can close again. Alright. Ooh. So this is all. This looks like it'll be the actual Wacom itself. Work that out of the road for now. Don't worry about it. 3-in-1 cables. I've already opened one of these up before. This is my second one of these to make up for the dual computer setup for a second screen for the second PC. And also, when Marty comes over to do digital art with me, when we hang out, he's got a workstation to use, so that makes it all good. Yeah, so they got a proprietary cable and a 3-in-1, which is your HDMI, USB for data transfer, and then your power. Proprietary piece is all really good though. Only one cable going into the back of the Wacom, which is very helpful. All right. Oh, and a pen. Ooh. And then the Wacom 2 pen. Yeah, the button clickies. Very nice. Pressure sensitivity. A little divvy on the end. Alright, fuck the box off. Bye, box.
Bye, box.
Alright. So this here is the nice soft covering. There's another box.
Christmas!
A nice soft covering. Ugh. As a screen protector for the Wacom, which is the right way up. I think that's always good. So as you can see here, it's a 16-inch Cintiq, which is the model. Hold on the back somewhere here, on the base. The DTK-1660 / K1-CA, which is effectively a fancy way of saying the 2020 model for a Wacom 16-inch Cintiq. Not the Pro variant, just the normal Cintiq variant. So it is the 1080p, not the 4K. And it is just a pen tablet, a pen screen. So you do need a computer to run it. It's not an all-in-one like the mobile workstation. Yeah, so yeah. It's really nice and pretty. Nice. It's not super heavy. The screen itself is very smooth to draw on. I found with my other one, and you don't even need a keyboard a lot of the time. I played on it the other day when we were hanging out at Marty's house doing drawing and art stuff for a project we're working on. Just double tapping, you can bring up a keyboard on screen, and I would tap on the keyboard, and then you just hit enter and it goes away. So I'd never even touched my keyboard the entire time I was using it. So that's really handy. And its setup and stuff was just downloading drivers off of Wacom's website. Yeah, and then once that downloaded, I plugged this in, and it said I want to specifically download something else for this machine. It did that. Another 2 minutes later, and then it said do calibration, and it was just 4 touch points, and it was ready to go, done and dusted, plug and play, which is really good. Because what'd you get? You got a
Yeah, I got the Canvas Pro 22, which we actually found was quite larger and quite hard to transport as well. Also has a paper-like screen finish, so it was kind of harder to draw, and also calibration was a little bit of a nightmare, wasn't it? So
yeah, it's really good to draw on though.
Yeah.
Still, it was just a little bit more fiddly.
yeah.
But at the same point, it's $1,000 for 22-inch screen versus $1,000 for a 16-inch screen. So use case depends on what you want to work with. After drawing on them both, I can't really see much difference in usability once you're set up. They're the canvas stuff, they have buttons on the side. I purchased a Wacom Remotes. Which I have another one we can unbox.
Fantastic.
Top of that bag. Mush, Marty. Mush. Wait, no. It's gonna be it's gonna be behind Pink Uraka. There you go. Get over there. Look at this. More My Hero Academia bullshit over there. No. In the cupboard. There you go.
This one?
Yeah. It's like a little square box.
Here we go.
That's it.
Straight off the bat.
There we go. All right, good. Okay, I gotta rebuild my camera setup now that I've played with shit. So you don't mind me. New accommodation is a studio apartment which is about 8 meters long and 4 meters wide. So, and that's why we had such a long hiatus between videos this year and last year because of setup stuff. So this here is the Expressway Remote. They are a wireless USB remote. So you do get a similar to how you would run like a wireless keyboard or a wireless mouse. You have the little USB dongle takes up a USB port, and it sends signals between there. They are battery powered. This is battery powered, and it is rechargeable. It has a micro USB plug, and you can just plug it into any generic USB type. No, wrong box. I need the other box. This is the current one that's out, not the new one. Marty, there should be a second one of these in there because I have 2 of them.
The one that's actually heavy. Okay.
The one that's actually heavy and right next to it. All right, good work, Marty. Good work.
Oh, Marty.
This is why we keep you around.
I'm the comic relief of this duo.
Yes.
Oh my god. We went to the gym today, so everything feels super light.
Yeah, we lift so much weight, too much heavy stuff. In case you haven't noticed from things, I have lost 10 kilos in the last 6 months since moving to the new job. All right, so
Dropped 4. I'm just skinny.
Hot boy summer.
Hot boy summer.
All right, so this is the Wacom Remote coming out. It comes in its own little pre-packaged goodies, and then in the box you get the little USB dongle, which is what I was talking about before. In the underside, you get the little just a standard USB to type, USB to micro USB, which is basically what like the old Samsungs and any Android phone runs off of. I'll see if it'll get focus on that. I don't think it will. It's too close, too small. Yeah. But yeah, it's not a Type C. It's the slightly rigid on one side variant, and then there is a quite a thick manual that you could like beats on with.
Yeah. Oh god, that is thick.
Yeah, I
That's
don't.
where all the weight was.
Yeah, basically, it weighs more than the remote.
Yeah, the remote's actually quite lightweight.
Yeah.
Is it magnetized as well?
I believe it has a grippy surface.
Yeah.
But
That's beautiful.
it's on the 16-inch. No, there's no spacing for it. On the larger ones, there's a spacing built for it to sit on.
Yeah, I remember seeing that.
Yeah.
No, very cool piece of tech. I love it.
So that's the go for that. Now I've just got all I've done is I've achieved another USB thing to plug in somewhere. Better not mix these up. That needs to stay with that computer.
Good.
This needs to stay with this computer.
Good.
Yeah, box by box.
Unboxing.
Unwrap this fucker. Alright.
Are you swear on this channel?
I can swear.
Oh, you can swear. I can swear.
You can swear.
Do we edit it out?
No.
Censorship? No, cool.
No, you just you just go basic with it, and then you just there's very few rules. It's basically you just have to like semi-behave, and swearing doesn't get you monetization in a video.
Right.
But I don't get monetization anyway, so fuck it. All right.
Nice.
Yeah, so there we go. It's pretty cool. So as you can see, it's got a handful of buttons. So these are all menu buttons. There's a swirl. This is like a solid touch swirl around the inside outside ring there.
Are you gonna buy him dinner or?
Yeah, it's gonna rim that fucking. And you use that while you're doing stuff to change like the sizing of your brushes in Photoshop. Or switching out different brushes, and then it's got a handful of buttons there. One of them is literally you just press it and it brings up a little menu on the Wacom showing you what the buttons do, because even they don't know where the buttons.
Yeah, and you can calibrate them, which is really cool.
Yeah, you can change them all up.
Yeah.
So far I've used 3 of the buttons. The other ones I haven't had a use for yet, but I also don't do much.
Yeah,
so
and you change with your workflow when you get into other projects.
Yeah,
which
basically.
Is really cool.
So yeah, that's our plan for that. This is also sort of like a little micro announcement thingy that we're doing art.
Yes, we're officially.
So you've seen them before. You've seen some stuff before. Like say here we got the Dragothic outro stuff that we've all seen on every video ever when I'm telling you to go like and subscribe and leave comments down below, and links in description. Dragothic _ on Twitch and Twitter. And Jacob Berlin Briscoe on Instagram. There we go. There's a bit of a plug.
Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe.
Yeah.
It's a great community. And,
Let's say it again. Like button and subscribe.
Absolutely.
Yeah, do it.
For everyone you do, we will high five.
That's
Power
because
five.
and that one's because Mum's gonna like it.
Absolutely.
She's a champion. All right.
You're a legend. We love you.
So yeah, so that one there, the one you can see on the screen there is the one of the artworks here that Marty has drawn for me to put up on here of Brisconius, which is my muscular ego basically, and you can also see the other drawings for it with the pointing and the concern. They're all done by Marty because he can draw. All these ones you've seen so far done on his phone, with like his finger. So now that we've got the Wacom tablet, we've got new art coming out, and then that'll hopefully be integrated into everything. So there we go. So make sure you all do all of that there for me. But yeah, like I said, thank you very much for hanging out. This has been an unboxing thing. We've got new art. I plan on getting more. Tax is this week, and when I get my tax money back, I'm going to invest in Elgato lighting for like the ring lights and the streamer lights.
Shout out to Brandon.
I was going to do that before he mentioned it. Oh my god. Giving people credit for shit. And then the artworks is all display. These are all metal. All very pretty. Very hard to put up. Marty was very nice and helpful. He hopped in behind the curtain that I've set up here, and we played pin the tail on the donkey with magnets behind the curtain to hold it onto this light-eating curtain that's used for photography.
Also, shout out to Display. We love you.
Yeah, thank you, Display. Please like all my shit and send me promo codes to get discounts. Eventually, we're going to try and put our art on these. We're going to buy our own displays.
That's a goal.
It's a goal. It's the goal. We've got to get 8 pieces of like really pretty, like this level art together, and then we're going to buy our own disc plates.
Hooray!
Basically, circle jerk ourselves with our own awesomeness. All right, so there we go. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed my little expenditures and my helpful assistant Marty, who's come and hung out with me. We got more videos to do today. We're going to do some other stuff as well. So I hope you check around for those as well. Make sure you click more videos on the channel, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you very much. Dragothic Gaming signing out, and I hope you have a good day. All right.